Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge your Ford Ranger AC. First, prioritize safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves. Next, find the low-pressure service port, usually near the windshield washer fluid reservoir on the passenger side. Finally, start your engine and set the air conditioning to its highest fan speed and coldest temperature. Now, let's connect your AC recharge kit. Securely attach the quick connect fitting to the low pressure port. It only fits one way. Then, screw the refrigerant can onto the valve on the hose. Carefully pierce the can by turning the valve clockwise, and then turn it counterclockwise to allow the refrigerant to flow into the hose. With the kit connected, it's time to add refrigerant. Hold the can upside down and gently shake it. Add the refrigerant in short, 10-second bursts, pausing between each to allow the system to equalize. Continuously monitor the pressure gauge, aiming for a reading between 25 and 45 psi on the low-pressure side to avoid overfilling. Once the pressure is within the correct range, carefully disconnect the recharge hose from the low-pressure port. Next, feel the air coming from your Ford Ranger's vents to confirm it is blowing cold. Finally, remember to replace the dust cap on the service port to protect it from dirt and debris. Enjoy your newly cooled cabin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.